Vive le français! Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So today I'm going to tell you about the cost. How much does it cost? How much does it cost when you have an apartment? When you live in France in an apartment or in a house, how much do you pay? You know, France is a country where you have many taxes. So when you live in an apartment, you have to pay la taxe d'habitation, which is a tax that you have to pay because you live there. So I live in an apartment, I have to pay the tax because I live there. Then you have a second tax that you pay, which is called, for the owner of the apartment, which is called taxe foncière. So let's say I am the owner of this apartment or this house. I have to pay two taxes. One tax is la taxe d'habitation because I live there, la taxe d'habitation, and one tax is la taxe foncière because I am the owner of this apartment. Then on top of this, if I live in an apartment, I need to pay les frais de copropriété, which is all the charge that I will have to pay every, I think, 3 months or 4 months, I'm not sure, all the charge, all the costs that I will have to pay. These are the upkeep costs for the whole building. So for instance, they need to renovate the roof, they need to renovate the facade on the outside, they need to repair the water pipe, they need to repair the electricity. So for all this, I will have to pay, you know, les charges de copropriété, you know. So it's a lot. You need to be careful because in some cities, the tax will be higher. La taxe d'habitation et la taxe foncière will be higher in some cities and lower in some cities. Why? This tax go to the city, la commune, la ville, go to the département and the région. La commune, le département, la région. They will get this tax. Okay, taxe d'habitation, living tax, and taxe foncière for the owner. Okay. And sometimes you have some city where you have many free things, many facilities. You have the free bus, you have the swimming pool that's very cheap, you have the possibility to do some sport, you have the many facilities, many things, because it's a big city. But on the other hand, you have the higher tax. So you need to be careful. If you are living in the countryside, in a small city, in a small village, the tax will be very low. It will be very low. If you are living in a bigger city or a communauté de communes, these are more cities together, you have more tax. You have to pay more tax. You have to pay higher tax. So be careful when you buy a place or when you rent a place. Make sure you need to ask. C'est combien la taxe d'habitation, la taxe foncière, c'est combien? Just to illustrate. These days I was looking for a house. In the countryside, in some cities where you have 25,000 people live there in this city. I was looking for la taxe d'habitation and taxe foncière. The two taxes are about the same. They are the same level. And for a house, so you buy a house, 100 square meter house with a garden of 2,000 square meter or 3,000 square meter, 2,000 square meter. The tax will be about from 1,200 euro a month, so taxe d'habitation, taxe foncière, 1,200 euro a month. So if you pay the two tax, 1,200 euro a month times 2 will be 2,000, 2,400, something like this, up to 3,000. It's not cheap, huh? 2,000 euro each year or 3,000 euro each year that you have to pay. Okay. Yes. If you don't have so much money, of course you can ask for some help. So if you don't have money, if you have a big family, you can get some aid. For example, the aide au logement, APL. If you repair your house and you do some work that is good for the environment, like you put some solar panel, or you put something like this, you could help. You could have less tax, or you could have some help. The government does this because they want to push the growth models. They want to have the economic growth, la croissance. They want to push the growth. So they want to push the industry and they want to push all this. So they say, if you repair your home, we'll give you a benefit. You can pay less tax. So people will take this into account. Okay, and people complain a lot these days because the tax are increasing more and more. So they say, hey, come on, You know, I have this apartment, and every year I have to pay more tax. Taxe d'habitation, taxe foncière are increasing each year. And then some people are saying the government is totally bankrupt, so what they are doing is increasing the tax, and they hope that some people will go bankrupt, cannot pay for the home, cannot pay for the credit, cannot pay the loan to the bank, and then they can take the property and say this property now is ours, and they can pay for the debt. But I don't know if it's true. Maybe this is what happened. This is what happened in the USA when there was the crisis a few years ago with some housing, housing crisis, housing market crisis. Let me leave you for now. À bientôt les amis. Take care. À bientôt.